G'day guys, welcome back to another Maintenance Monday with me, James, here in the Sparesbox workshop. This week, we're talking grease guns. Now most grease guns come in a form like this, but they do make electric ones as well. Really quite simple. The grease is available in cartridges like this. This is LMM grease, as you can see. However, you can buy a variety. I've got here in the vise a lower ball joint from a 240Z, which is just replaced. In the instance of this or your uni joint or anything like that, locate the nipple if it has one. They don't always have them. If it doesn't have a nipple on, probably put the nipple on or you won't be able to put it on it. Don't put it on it, just it itself. You'll just wear grease. Put the nozzle onto the nipple and make sure you hold the nozzle onto the nipple tightly and pump the grease into it. As this is a new ball joint, it will take a couple of pumps of grease to get grease right through all the movable parts, usually 2 or 3. I like to wait until I see the boot inflate just a little bit with the grease, that way I know it's all the way through it. You may have a little bit come out around the edges of the boots. That's okay, don't panic, just make sure you clean it up so it doesn't attract dust and you're good to go. Now if you want to grab yourself a grease gun for use at home or in the workshop, head to sparesbox.com.au to shop our extensive range of grease guns for all budgets and applications.